Guys, check this gloss out. Pretty awesome, right? So all I did to this aircraft was about 5 months ago. Not a paint correction, but I did a two-step. So I compounded, polished, and then, I mean, dude, look. Not to toot my own horn, but it is a shiny jet. One of my shiny jets, right? So, no ceramic coating, no waxing, just basically rinseless wash, or some people call it dry wash. So I spray it on, wipe it, just dry it with these Dreadnought towels, and it's good to go. I mean, I don't know, this stuff is, I haven't paid attention to how glossy it was. I just have to run through and clean this thing. But honestly, it's like the gloss is rad. It looks just awesome. Check it. So yeah, I've just been using Pearl Nanos, what is it called? Their ceramic spray. And just spray it on, saturate the paint, and then wipe it off. I use it on the windows, I use it on the boots. I've had customers say that, man, the ice doesn't even stick to the boots anymore, we don't have to inflate them. And I've just been cleaning it with I use the spray to get the bugs off as well. So it works great. These boots look like they've been stripped though. They've gone through some rain, the boots are stripped, so they're ready for coating again. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But yeah, I just want to show you guys, like, check this out, watch this freaking, see if I can get you dialed here. Come on, Britt. All right, where are we at here? Check it out, watch this towel. So this is what I clean with. Dreadnought from Autofiber. I'll sell them pretty soon. I just gotta buy some inventory. But I need a camera, I need all sorts of other stuff, because I've just been filming with the iPhone. So here we go, check it out, watch. Dreadnought, down the wing, freaking awesome. It's pretty sweet, man. 5 months ago, I polished this thing. No wax, no ceramic coating, just clean it with the Pearl's ceramic spray. So yeah, pretty cool, man. So it's maintained though. You can't just let these things go away after you do a paint correction or polish, you know. You've got to maintain them, because all those contaminants sitting on the paint eventually do seep in, or they just bond to your paint. So cleaning it regularly and having highly polished paint is definitely beneficial to your aircraft. Less corrosion, better laminar flow. The air flows over your wing much better. So therefore less, blah, 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 blah. I go on and on and on and bore the heck out of you guys, but I think that was pretty cool. Flat wing, it's not like the hood of a car where it's like sloped down, like that thing just went. So anyways, that's it. We'll catch you on the next video, and then I'll put a link in the bio of the product that I use and the towel. And yeah, all right guys, hope you have a good one. We'll catch you later.